Imagine being on the edge of your seat, wondering what's going to happen next. A good suspenseful story can keep you guessing until the very end. But what makes a story truly unforgettable? Is it the plot twists, the characters, or something more? Let's dive into the psychology of suspense and uncover the secrets of crafting a truly unpredictable storyline. Suspense is a powerful tool in storytelling, capable of evoking strong emotions and keeping audiences engaged. But what exactly is suspense, and how can we use it to our advantage? In this video, we'll explore the key elements of suspense and learn how to craft a narrative that will leave your audience on the edge of their seats. Fear is a fundamental human emotion, and it's what drives our desire for suspense. But what exactly is fear, and how can we use it to create a sense of tension in our stories? Let's explore the psychology of fear and learn how to harness it to craft a truly unforgettable narrative. Curiosity is a powerful tool in building suspense. By creating curiosity and tension, we can keep our audience engaged and guessing until the very end. But how can we create curiosity in our stories? Let's explore some techniques for building suspense and keeping your audience on the edge of their seats. Misdirection is a key element of suspense, capable of keeping the audience guessing until the very end. But how can we use misdirection to our advantage? Let's explore some techniques for manipulating the audience's expectations and creating a truly unforgettable narrative. Setting is a crucial element of suspense, capable of creating a sense of tension and unease. But how can we use setting to our advantage? Let's explore some techniques for creating a sense of tension and keeping your audience on the edge of their seats. In conclusion, crafting a suspenseful narrative requires a deep understanding of the psychology of suspense. By learning how to create curiosity, tension, and misdirection, we can keep our audience engaged and guessing until the very end. Remember, the key to crafting a truly unforgettable narrative is to keep your audience on the edge of their seats, wondering what's going to happen next.